Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Cryptocom Coin, or CRO. If you have not been paying attention to the CRO chart, let's just say you're missing out on some big fortune that is yet to come. Also, the chart has started to overturn most of the things in the past 24 hours. But before we get more into it, if you guys are here for the first time, don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video so the YouTube algorithm pushes the video out to more people find out about this and they decide to hold the coin. What I'm going to say is, if you're a holder of Cryptocom Coin, you might want to watch till the end because there are some crazy things that is about to happen. Let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, we have a lot to talk about when it comes to Cryptocom Coin. It is starting to look a lot more interesting. If we look at the 1 hour chart, then we will look into the 4 hour chart. If we decide to look at the super trend, you can see from the 25th of November, which is exactly 72 hours ago, we did actually go into a downtrend, and you know, the whole market, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything was starting to sell off around the same period of time. But what is really crazy is, it's crazy to see that Cryptocom Coin has started to actually form a very strong support close to the 70-cent mark. You can see from the previous time, this support has been very strong and we are able to play off. But on the super trend, what is super interesting is, you can see from the past 8 hours, the downtrend has actually turned into an uptrend. This is a great sign because this is all we wanted. We wanted the downtrend to break, go into a consolidation period, and then initially turn into an uptrend, and that is exactly what is happening right now. You can see that from the past 24 hours we have started to climb back up, and especially in the past 5 hours the momentum in the Cryptocom Coin has been insane. Even on the zigzag line, you can see that this higher high was obviously higher than this one, then this lower low was obviously higher than this one, suggesting that we were in a downtrend. But now the downtrend is clearly being broken. As you can see that this higher high is obviously lower than this one, and the same thing is going to most likely follow. Now what everyone is predicting is this retracement will most likely have a very strong pullback and actually go well over the all-time high, which we reached around, I'd say 7 days ago, which was 95 cents. Now this pullback might be actually the strongest pullback and most likely will cross Shiba Inu in market cap. If you guys do not know, at this point Cryptocom Coin is the 13th largest cryptocurrency by market cap in the world, and you can see compared to everything else today it is up 16% and just crossing another 2 billion side, and we will be in the top 12 cryptocurrencies in the world. And I personally think this could actually happen in the next 48 hours. I will not personally be surprised. The rate and also the pattern it has started to form, you can see the buy and the sell orders that are coming in. The volume has started to become bigger and bigger. As we actually went under on the RSI line, we can suggest that obviously the RSI line is clearly starting to have a strong pullback. You can see that when we did have the spike, which was about 4 hours ago, on the RSI line we did not actually cross the top, which is really good. We do not want to go into the overbought zone because you guys know the retail investors like to sell whenever the whole of the chart goes into an overbought zone. Because we did not cross it, right now we're back into the middle zone. Most likely we will be having a strong uptrend again. Overall, if we decide to look at the trend, you can see it was starting to form a symmetrical triangle, or I would say descending triangle. It was, but has broken out, and you guys know descending triangle formation is really bad because it usually ends up being a bearish market. At the moment it is completely broken out of it, and now we are on a strong uptrend. You can see on the 4 hour chart exactly the same thing. So this retracement, now this pullback that we have had, we just need to hope that this pullback can take us over the point, which is going to be close to 80 cents. If we can have a small consolidation period around 80 cents, that would be great for about 40 to, I'd say, 48 hours to 72 hours, that's completely okay, but we just need to make sure that this bull or this retracement that we are receiving actually makes it to 80 cents and make sure that there is no resistance blocking us from hitting it. Now there's a couple of things that Crypto.com is doing which is crazy. As you can see, this news just came out. Crypto.com to sponsor latest American leading soccer competition. The company will serve as an official partner of the CONMEBOL Cup starting in 2023. It plans to develop competition related NFTs. This is insane. They're going to be hosting a whole competition that will be for a soccer. You guys know soccer is a huge sport. You guys know there's so much money behind it, and seeing Crypto.com completely hold a whole World Cup or just a cup is just incredible. And there will obviously be also competition related NFTs that you will be able to purchase, and when the competition goes live in 2023, the prices of those NFTs will skyrocket, and this will have a positive impact on the Crypto.com coin, as this deals are just going crazy. 700 million deal to make sure Staples Center gets renamed, and now they are going to be doing something crazy. This deal will make Crypto.com the latest participant in the Latin American soccer NFT trend, which includes stars such as Argentinian Messi and Pele. So some big names there, and that is going to have a huge impact and positive impact on the whole of the company and the coin especially. Another thing which is really crazy, as you can see, Crypto.com token added 7 billion market cap in just the past 7 days. This just shows how many new eyeballs have actually come towards this coin. Obviously, the big impact that has caused this coin to actually skyrocket is, you know, on Crypto.com, if you do want to earn higher return on your crypto when you do stake it, you need to stake Crypto.com coin. So a lot of people, as Crypto.com is getting popular, are actually deciding to invest in the coin so they can actually go ahead and receiving a higher return when they do decide to stake their tokens such as USDT or any other stable coin. So that is having the huge impact, and obviously that means every time the site actually becomes more popular, with that the coin will become much popular as well. It is looking pretty crazy, and honestly I would not be surprised if Crypto.com makes it to the top 10 coins in the near future. Now talking about the price analyst that everyone is warning, is Crypto.com coin. Crypto analysts start up an issue warning to CRO traders. Now the reason they are actually surging this warning is because they have seen a huge return which is close to 14x just in this year, but you need to understand that it is not overbought in my personal opinion, because it is just getting started and it's actually reaching its initial price that where it should be. The site is so huge, and their coin not having a market cap close to 20 billion just does not make sense, and the coin actually holds so much more value, and personally I feel like it's more valuable than Shiba Inu, and decide it should be in top 10, as the whole site is starting to look crazy. Seeing them buy Staples Center to rename it as Crypto.com, it just shows how much power they hold. But overall, this is going to be the deciding point when the market goes back into the bull market, as all the coins are starting to recover such as Bitcoin and Binance. We need to make sure that Crypto.com is the fastest one growing, and we can see just from the top 100, Crypto.com coin is nowhere near as slowing down as everyone is predicting. Personally, I think I would not be surprised if it just goes completely parabolic in the next 24 hours or 48 hours. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.